Okay, so now that we've done atomic and we already have greedy, it should be pretty trivial to throw together possessive. So literally possessive is going to look something like this. So let's say the character A, well, I can write it something similar to the previous one. So let's say 2 or more times possessive, right? So I've already quantified this token and I've added an additional plus, which means this is possessive. This is literally the same as saying I want to match A 2 or more times, greedily, and atomically, right? I will match greedily, and once I've matched, I'm possessive, which means that there's no backtracking into me. So something I could do that would be mega lazy would be, all right, let me just write possessive and instead just, compose them. But I really already did the work. It's basically right here with the one exception is that I'm not doing it on the match item. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to subclass greedy and copy paste this code, and you replace this with base.match, and that's it. It's possessive. So since it's easy, let's knock it out. And let me make sure I know how to spell possessive. Yeah, looks fine, whatever. This is the one time I'm actually going to write it over here because it's the same thing as atomic. But it's a subclass of greedy, right? So let's make our constructor. Nothing new to contribute to the situation. We are going to override oops, I am not where I thought I was. Override match, and it's going to be the exact same thing as atomic. And I'm going to do the thing that I said I don't do, except this is base.match because this is possessive. Read atomic. So this is trivial, and match next is identical, right? Okay, possessive's done. So one thing we can do would be to flip back here and write that. Possessive test 1. And instead of atomic, this is going to be possessive. But now, sorry, I gotta snip this out here. I take 2 steps. So this is possessive of char A 2 or more times, right? And this, call it pos for possessive. This guy, a single possessive thing, now is that. Okay? An A followed by 2 or more A's possessively, which is greedy atomic, followed by that. And it's obviously identical to the previous example. That's what I expect, at least. And lo and behold, it is. Okay? So there you go. There's possessive. So far so good. Alright, well, that was easy. Something else?